For decades, we've looked at the crimson dust of Mars and wondered if we're truly alone in the universe. Today, we're exploring why the red planet might be more than just a desolate rock and exactly what evidence points toward the possibility of ancient life. It matters because finding even a microscopic organism there would fundamentally change our place in the cosmos. First, we have to talk about water, the universal solvent for life as we know it. We know that Mars wasn't always a frozen desert, billions of years ago. It featured sprawling rivers, deep lakes, and perhaps even vast oceans. NASA's rovers have discovered mineral deposits, clay, and sulfates that only form in the presence of liquid water. This confirms that the environmental conditions required for life were once present on the surface. But if water existed, where did it go, and could something still be hiding in the shadows? Next, consider the surprising discovery of seasonal methane spikes in the Martian atmosphere. On Earth, the vast majority of methane is produced by biological processes, bacteria living in soil. While geological activity could explain these fluctuations, scientists haven't ruled out the possibility of subsurface microbes if organisms exist deep underground. Protected from harsh cosmic radiation, they might be thriving in pockets of liquid brine. Finally, Mars shares a strikingly similar day-night cycle to Earth, lasting about 24 hours and 37 minutes. This sol provides a rhythm that life could theoretically adapt to, provided it has shelter from the thin atmosphere. We're currently analyzing samples that might hold the ultimate proof, fossilized biosignatures. Mars remains our best candidate for finding extraterrestrial life because it possesses the historical water, chemical energy, and environmental stability necessary for survival. Whether we find fossils or living organisms, the answer will redefine biology forever. If you found this search for life fascinating, hit that button and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of space.